Now let's see how to do the neck finishing and all. Okay, see, this is the neck finishing part. Fold this one and finish it off. This part also will finish it off. Next, place your bodies. Okay, right side and right side. This is body and this is the neck finishing part. Place it and stitch it for the 1/2 inch. Okay, next take small cuts. Extra we should trim it off. No need of this much extra. Trim it off. And top stitch. Done. Okay, next press this one. Okay, we'll press it and keep it ready. Same for the back part also. Finish it like this. See, for the back part also, place right side, right side. Stitch it for the 1/2 inch. For the shoulder attachment, see, right side facing each other and open one block like this. Okay, see, open this one and stitch for 1/2 inch. After that, see, take small cut here, fold it, back folding and stitch. Done shoulder attachment. Okay, other side also will finish it off. Right side facing each other. Right side. Open one block. Done. Now press this part. Now how to finish this and all, let's see. For your neck part finishing, see, for this part, take your fusing tape and stick it. This is the boat neck.